up, man?
I'm CJ.
Oh shit, here we go again.
You know they call me Can I Real? My 2019 Silverado. I'm 22 by 14.
Foggiatos.
Forgiatos. It gotta be 40.
Hey,
You
you gotta have a big F on there. You feel me?
got the Oracle line.
Yeah.
Had to throw Lambo doors on.
I forgot about that. I forgot
That's
about that one. Oh, everything. I got my boy CJ. My boy CJ came out from the IE area. You know, we holding it down for OC Auto too. I'ma tell you, it's my people, you know.
Big shout out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all got us looking right out here. You feel me? But yeah, man, new content coming soon. I got my boy CJ. Y'all be looking out, man. We're gonna be collabing on some shit. Y'all just stay tuned. You never know what might be next. You feel me? So, you don't think they ready? Look, they not ready. They don't never know with me. They like, what's next, nigga? We all gonna see, so y'all better stay tuned. Like that. But yeah, we wrapping it up. I got Pay Ray Man behind the camera. You know, he doing everything, getting the nice shots and doing all that. You know, the stuff you supposed to do when you're a content creator. You know? So, y'all stay tuned, man. We finna wrap it up. I think we headed downtown to go install these screens while we're down here. And then from there, ain't no telling. Y'all just gotta just follow me. Y'all just gotta stay with us. That's it. So I'm at my people shop, Stereo City, man. Any music, anything you need, you want your stuff to be boom, 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 you come right here, okay? So, you get ready. And get these screens, these MAYBACH. Yeah. So you see it now, just wait till it's ready. Got our packaging. See, look, the key is they don't even sell these down here. You think they got them? They ain't even got them. They asking me where I get it from. I'm the plug, man. Okay, I'm the captain.
Look at me, sure. I'm the captain now.
Get it started in here. Hey, get it started in here. Let's cut them all, yeah. Cut them all, get it going. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Wrapping it up. My people just got me right in Stereo City. Y'all know where we at. Yes, sir. 11th and Central. You know, you come down here, don't stop nowhere else. Come to Stereo City. Tell me.
My neck and my ears and my motherfucking chains. This drip out the trenches, I know you gon' dig it. I go through these motherfucking planes. I see the face.
Boom, boom, boom. hanging with me. Just know you go drink. I don't even drink this water. I got my own water system at the house. It's called lifestyle water, okay? So they even got some new shit. With vitamins and shit. I got that with me just in that thing. So fuck it, man. Let's pump this gas. Hopefully this one ain't leaky. God damn, gas hot. See, when you got a Tesla, you don't even look at gas. Shit. Whoa. $5? Yep. You are this motherfucker stay quiet. I can see why. Y'all ain't see that. Yeah, bust my ass. I don't know how to feel about this. I know it's supposed to be good for you, so we're gonna see. Keep that to the side. Gotta just quench my little thirst real quick, you know? It's hot as fuck out here. Get everything going. Want a candle?
Hell yeah.
Well, ain't working, but you get candy too. Make sure you leave all that in there.